In our previous lecture, we have studied about some. Let me share with you. It was just about the introduction. The session was held on 12th December, and we just go through the introduction of research writing. That why we need to write the articles, and then we studied about characteristics of good research writing, some processes that how we should select topic and some other thing, and the key insights and the structure of research paper, research ethics. So our today's session will be about the how to choose a good title for our paper and how to write the abstract of the research article. So this is how to choose the title of your research article. First of all, the title is the main and most important thing of our research. Article, the topic is the most important thing which attract the readers, and it tell the readers what they are gonna read and what you have done and what you are presenting to others. So first of all, we should be specific and descriptive. The topic should not be too much long. It should clearly indicate that what your study is about, including key variables, population, like or other methods that uh, you have applied in your research, and what the thing or what the novelty, what the innovation you have provided in this research. So it should keep concise yet informative. It means that it should be concise, not too much lengthy. Around about 10 to 15 words is an ideal research title of research paper, and it should not containing the unnecessary words like the, that, this, those, either this. So we should like this investigation into study of this kind of words should also be not included in the research title. So next we should include some important keywords, like if my topic is on the cancer medicine, then I will first I will I must include the word cancer, as my current research is photocatalysis or energy production or fuel production. So I must mention that about the photocatalytic, that this is about the photocatalysis and what kind of material I am using for my research. If someone is doing research on the geography or some other, they will include their own research keywords about their findings and their methods, and the other things that are included in your research. Then it should be a reflection of your main findings and contributions. As I am writing a paper on hydrogen production, then I must write that. Please avoid screen drawing. I must write that this paper is relevant to the hydrogen production. Like if I have attached, I have get a good results, very enhanced results, and my research, my hydrogen production is very good, then I must mention that for the enhanced hydrogen production in the title. Match your journal style. The title should be matched with the journal styles. In some journals, like Elsevier journals, Elsevier is the biggest publisher, I think, and they require that the title should not be capital, each word capital. In some journals, the each word of the title should be capital, but in the elsewhere it should be sentence like. The only first letter of the first word should be capital, and the other should be small. And for some other journals, it is uh, different from this. There is a different style. Some journals are required to avoid the abbreviations. Some are required to not mention the question marks. Some journals are like they semicolon or colons. So these are the different requirements of the different journals. So we'll move to the next slide. What is the sorry, first of all, I will show my own published research paper, and I will tell how the title describe everything. So I will close this screen share and will share another. Yeah, I think this is an older version. It should be small. I have opened wrong version, but it is okay. So here you can you guys see this research paper's title page? Can you please confirm in the chats? Okay, okay. Here, that first of all, it is just about my research, that what I did. I have engineered the nickel 4 POM with manganese cadmium sulfide through 1,4-benzene dicarboxylic acid. And how I did, what is my method? My method is electrostatical engineering. Like I have created an electrostatic bond between the two materials. It is used for what? It is used for photocatalytic hydrogen production. So my research is photocatalysis. So I mentioned photocatalytic, and my application is hydrogen production. I have mentioned the hydrogen production, and it is what it did. It did efficiently. It efficiently did hydrogen production. My method, what I did, how I did, and what I get, and what is my topic. Everything is mentioned in a single line. So we will move to the slide again. So for the next slide, we will discuss about what is abstract. Actually, abstract is a short summary of your entire study, what you have done. It is about 150 to 300 words between, but ideal abstract is 150 to 200 or maximum 250 words. It is uh, containing all the major things that you have done in your research paper. What it should be, what things it should be included. First of all, it should tell the methodology in a short terms, outline the research design, sample size, like data collection method. What is your main the part of your method you should mention in the abstract. Then it states the research problem or objective. It should also let the it should also let us know about the research gap. What is uh, the research problem? What for what we are doing this research, and what is the lacks in, what are the lacks in the previous researches that the researcher have already done. So it should for the methodology I have already tell, and it should present key findings or the results. It should the research should also abstract should also have shortly explain or shortly depict the key findings that uh, we have get through our research. What we have get in our results, they should be there. They should be shortly explained. explain the main conclusions or the implication, that what we have done, theoretical, practical, or what we have done in our research, the findings, it should also be described in a short sentence. Use the past tense for completed actions, that we write the research after doing our research, so we should tell that it in the past tense, like we write this: in this research we have developed a novel approach, so we should explain in the past tense. And serve it the research, the abstract of your paper serves as a screening tool. It is the face of your research paper, that how it looks like, how your work looks like. So you should be careful while writing the research paper. It is the representative of your whole work. Hello. Often includes keywords at the end. At every abstract of the every paper, we have some keywords like 3 to 6. Most commonly, we use 4 to 5 in many journals, but I have never seen more than 5. But in some journals, they have 6, but the 5 is ideal keywords count. For the next slide, we will see about the how to write abstract. Start with a compelling hook that established importance. Like my topic is photocatalysis. So I have uh, written the examples and explanations like that, but you can uh, take it according to your own research. Like it should open with the broad significance or urgent need of the study, that why we need this study. So first of all, as in my research, we write that sustainable hydrogen production is critical for achieving carbon neutral energy system, combating climate change. Due to global warming, greenhouse effects, and many other environmental challenges, we need to give up from the carbon-containing fuels like petroleums and some other. Some students are sending. I will. You can ask the question at the end, please. It is disturbing during the session. Don't mind, please. So we should tell about the problem that what we are facing during uh, uh, currently, and why we carried out this research. So clearly state the research gap or the problem. It should clearly tell that previously what the previously work have lacks, what are the lacks. So then we can write this in our research. Like I have mentioned that, however, existing photocatalysts suffer from poor visible light absorption and rapid electron decommission. That this is the biggest problem in my work, that in the previous works or the current work we are doing is facing the visible light absorption problem and the rapid electron hole recombination, which is reducing the activity of the catalyst. So you can also resemble it with your works, that what are the problems, key issues you are facing in your research. Please do not use this kind of drawing on the screen. For the next slide, we will see the define your specific objective or hypothesis. Your research is sorry actually precisely it should articulate precisely that what you have achieved. Like this study, what you are gonna doing in this study. This study developed a novel Z scheme heterogeneity, that we are letting the readers know that what we have done in this research, what kind of materials, what kind of products, or what kind of research, or what kind of methods that we are going to introduce in this research. So we should uh, let the readers about that. Methodology. The methodology should also be explain shortly in one sentence we synthesize this kind of material, or if someone is doing a social survey or social from the social sciences, they will write about that we developed a novel approach or novel uh, thing that Ismail Ibrahim, please close your mic. Hello.
How to write abstracts.
So we should tell that what we have done. Like I was telling about the social sciences student, they will tell that we have adopted a novel method uh, uh, to get the data about the people that are facing social problems. And for the sciences students, they can relate their own research. Like for the biology student, if they are working on the genes or they're working on the bacteria, they should tell that what kind of bacteria they have grown and how they grown, so they can relate with that. So the next slide, it present quantitative results prominently, that what you have find that in our research we find the amount of hydrogen produced or the carbon dioxide reduced. So we tell the amount in micromole per gram per hour or millimole per gram per hour, and the efficiency of the catalyst. That you can also relate with your work, that what you have achieved and what is the efficiency of your uh, thing that you have produced, and what is the significance of your research. So next, we should provide the mechanism to provide the insights into why you approach this work and how this work has done in our research. That I give the mechanism, that how our catalyst generate electron and how it split the water into two parts, oxygen and hydrogen, and how where the oxygen goes and how the hydrogen is produced, and how we get it to know that we have calculated. So we have to explain like that. So here we have some other information about use strong action verb and active voices. In the abstract, we should use active voice sentence, like dynamic language, like achieved. We have achieved this research. Our catalyst or our material demonstrated, revealed, rather than possess passive construction. Like this work demonstrates the rational interface engineering can overcome kinetic barriers in photocatalytic system. So we have used demonstrates. And with broad significance or future outlook, we should end our abstract with like that, how this research open the ways for the possibilities for upcoming uh, uh, for upcoming researches, and for how it open a new path for the researchers in future, and how it can be beneficial for the industry, for the environment, for what you are doing, and for the application. Like my application is energy production, clean energy production. So I will let the readers know how it can contribute in the environment. So now I will show the abstract of my published paper that I have recently shown you, to explain that how we can get an idea. So this is the abstract of my paper, and can you see this slide? Please let me know. Okay. This is the paper, and we can see that it is 189 words for only the abstract. So it is the ideal abstract. And this paper I have published in the top ranked journal, Applied Catalysis, B, Environment and Energy. It has 21.1 impact factor. So this is an ideal. I don't say ideal because it's my work. Definitely it's ideal for me, but you can say it an ideal abstracts because it is Vajia, it's blocked because there is internet problem on your size. Now I think it is more clear. So first of all, you can see leveraging solar energy for the generation of hydrogen fuel via photocatalytic water splitting as significant advantages during the sustainable towards the achieving sustainable. This is the problem. Problem and the what we have done this research. This is the actual thing that we have done we did in this research. Now, this session is only for 40 minutes because the Zoom free meeting is only for 40 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it will be automatically closed. So then you can join again from the same link and the same meeting ID. So we will continue it if something left behind. So note it in the advance. So then I have mentioned that in this research, we present an innovative photocatalyst developed through the chemical interaction of. Here I have already told that this is innovative photocatalyst, which is developed through chemical introduction of. So this is the what I have did and how I did. I have did the chemical integration of tetranickel polyoxymetallate with 1,4-benzene dicarboxylate. This is my method. And for what demonstrated a marked improvement in the efficiency, what it achieved of photocatalytic hydrogen production. In this composite, this is the mechanism. This composite photocatalyst 1,4-benzene dicarboxylic acid combined with manganese cadmium sulfide contributes as light harvesting semiconductor, and nickel 4 POM act as co-catalyst electron enrichment center. So this is the mechanism that what part is playing which role and what part playing which role. So this ternary catalyst, 3 components catalyst, achieve what it achieved this hydrogen amount. It is a remarkable hydrogen amount. And this is its theoretical knowledge like turnover number and AQY. This is the results. I have mentioned that the key results that I get in this research. So now what kind of theoretical knowledge we applied on it? Like we did that some theoretical study like DFT. So I have also mentioned that how this catalyst was connected, different 2 parts were connected with each other through the linkage. So this is about that. And at the end, what my research can contribute in future, our technique, you can see that our technique to design composite photocatalyst will open new paths towards the development and design catalyst for sufficient photocatalytic hydrogen evolution. Basically, in this research, the material that nickel POM is used, and this is a molecular catalyst, and it dissolves in the water. So, but where the manganese cadmium sulfide, the other component, it have the strong recombination. It faces a strong recombination of electron and holes. So there are 2 problems existing. So what I did, I introduced 1,4-benzene dicarboxylic acid between both. This is an organic component, and it combines them both with electrostatic bonds, and it make them stable. So nickel foam does not dissolve in water, and it provides a smooth way of electron transfer to the nickel foam, and the electron does not recombine. So this is a new approach, and this linker was first time reported with the polyoxymetalates and semiconductor. So this is an innovative one. So in the future, researchers can use this kind of other linkers and also use this linker to improve their catalyst stability and their efficiency and some other important things. So we still have 5 minutes and I think we should have a question answer session. So you can ask your question answer one by one. Someone asked me that can use BTC linker. You can try it because for my linker first I did the zeta potential test to check the surface charges before combination of for the single catalyst, and then for the uh, composite catalyst, two parts and one part, and then I check about for the zeta potential to check out the surface charge. Uh, After that, I concluded that they can attach with each other. Then we did DFT, and then we did some other characterization I will let in this paper later about the further characteristics. So you can try BTC whether it can work or not. Noor Alam, brother, you have asked that what is different between conclusion and abstract, because you are a PhD student and you know the research well. So we are currently delivering our knowledge to students step by step. So I think when we will go to the conclusion part, then we can discuss about this better way, because the time is limited. So we have to take the questions. Imam Hussain asked me that you have combined different oxides. I did not combine the oxides. It is a polyoxometalate. This is anionic species and it has negative charge, while the semiconductor is highly positive. So I think you did not get my point. And some other people, I think whenever we research. Hmm. I have done my research on photocatalysis for the degradation of antibiotic and vegetable. I have submitted 3 papers. That's great, Umersha. We still have how much time? 3 minutes. So you can ask the question one by one. You can ask for the question in the chat and then I will allow you. For the poem characterization, Aksali, you can use the single crystal analysis. It can tell everything, each and every atom and the molecule and the structure. You can test this from a good laboratory, and you can find that in band gap of my final material was about 2.3, I think. I'm not sure right now because this is my master's work. So when I will, you can check it on the internet. I can share the link with you. Just wait a moment.